Sir, and as I tell veterans, I'm joking with you, but as I tell veterans all the time, I want to thank you for your service. All right, because I am very much aware that I only get to do what I get to do because of people like you that were willing to do that.
Hear me, yo. Watching how them opera boys get sentenced. You know how the fuck's going on, man. Y'all boys tuned into that Oouchie court watch. Well, we taking it straight from the jail cell to the judge. Hear me?
Court call today's People versus Micah Jones.
Good morning, Assistant Public Defender Lauren Perny on behalf of Mr. Jones. Mr. Jones, please state your name for the record.
Micah Jones.
Hey, what are we doing?
Your Honor, I guess we don't have an agreement on this charge, but Mr. Jones is going to be pleading guilty as charged to the retail fraud third. From my understanding, in my math, is maxed out on this charge. I do have a signed plea form and an advice of rights form as well.
Okay. And do we know if there's any restitution?
I don't believe so. I think everything.
Okay, well, they looked that up. Can I have them sworn?
Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give be the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so be God?
Yes.
Low and then spell your name.
My name, MICAHJONES.
All right. Sir, it is this court's understanding you're going to plead guilty to the charge of retail fraud to third degree. That's a misdemeanor punishable by up to 93 days in jail, $500 fine plus court costs. Fine could be increased at 3 times the value of the property taken. If that's greater than $500, that would become the maximum fine. You understand that?
Yes.
All right. Still wish to plead guilty?
Yes.
And to that charge, how do you plead?
Guilty.
Now, you understand that by pleading guilty, you'll not have a trial of any kind.
Yes.
You signed an advice of rights form, is that correct?
Yes.
Any question regarding any of those rights?
No.
Look at paragraph 5. You'll see a copy on the podium. Those are your rights which are part of a trial. You understand by pleading guilty, you'll be giving up those rights as well as all the rights on that form.
Yes.
You understand you're giving up your right to appeal over.
Yes.
Are you on probation or parole?
Yes.
You are?
On probation.
All right. Were you on probation at the time of this offense?
I believe so.
All right. I do have to advise you, this could be considered a violation of that
Yes.
probation.
Yeah. Judge Washington said something about it.
Pardon?
Judge Washington, she said something about it.
Okay.
Yeah.
You understand that if it is considered a violation of that probation, you could be sentenced to the maximum allowable under that other charge.
Yeah.
And understanding that, you still wish to plead guilty to this charge?
Yes.
Anybody promise you anything other than what's been stated here today on the record?
No.
Anybody threaten you or coerce you?
No.
Doing this voluntarily?
Yes.
Of your own free will?
Yes.
Because you believe that you are indeed guilty?
Yes.
All right. Let's see. July 2nd, 2024, it's location of 3825 Carpenter Road, that being the Meyer, Pittsfield Township, Washington County, State of Michigan. What do you do on that date that makes you think that you're guilty?
I did retail fraud.
The retail fraud. Okay, you went into Meyer
One of Myers, I stole a few items.
and you took some items.
Yes.
All right, you tried to walk out without paying for them?
Yes.
All right, store was open to the public at the time?
Yes.
You didn't have anybody's permission to take that property, did you?
No.
And these items that you took were offered for sale by Meyer?
Yes.
All right, sir, if I do accept your plea, I do have to advise you that between your plea and the time of sentencing, if you commit misconduct that's defined in the Michigan court rules, you would not be entitled to withdraw your plea. And also you would not be entitled, since there is none, to any sentence recommendation or evaluation. You understand that?
Yes.
All right. Counsel, are you aware of any other promises, threats, or other inducements that have led to this plea?
No, Your Honor.
And have I complied with the court rule? Would it be proper to accept this defendant's plea?
Yes, Your Honor. Yes.
Court will accept the defendant's plea of guilty to this charge. All right. How long has he been in?
We did the math since he was arraigned. Has
April. I have an April arraignment date on this case.
I'm sorry, we did the math together, Mr. Jones and I.
Okay, but I'll trust Mr. Jones' number. I've seen you do math.
No, I know. Well, okay, so since his arraignment, he has 24 days, I believe, but since the date of the offense, he has I think 100 days.
where are you getting this 20 days? Was he out
He
for a
was-
period?
He was in from, just October 7th, 2024 to December 6th of last year, then back in February 13th, 2025 to April 8th of this year. And then he's been in for 23 days. He was booked on, July 15th,
So
2025.
how many days do you have for him? I thought you guys did this.
Okay.
I know, we did it yesterday, the night it went down.
No.
Okay, no, I think parenting should have to do the math.
Oh, I have 133 days since the date of the offense here. That was 6 days ago. I'm sorry, I should have had this.
You're right. You are absolutely right. I was just gonna wait, see if miracle happened. Sir, is there anything you want to say before I approve sentence?
No, I apologize for what I did. I said I'll never do it.
Pardon?
I promise not to do that again.
$125 statutory fee, 93 days in jail, credit 93 served. You're all set.
Thank you so much.
Take care. Court does call the case of the people versus John Funch.
And then on behalf of the people, Your Honors. Good morning, Assistant Public Defender Lauren Perny on behalf of Mr. Funch. Mr. Funch, state your name for the record.
John Michael Funch.
Oh, there, you got it.
Yeah.
Okay, what are we doing?
Hello?
Well, Your Honor, we do. have-
Hello?
Hello? Hello? I'm here.
Hello? Okay, we got
Hello,
you.
sorry.
Okay, all right, hello.
we
Hello,
do
I'm
have-
here.
We did,
Okay, yep, we got you.
we do have a plea agreement, however, Mr. Funch, you have to have camera to do a plea. And he's here on phone.
Oh,
So,
I don't have a computer though. That's the only thing.
I have to come down.
I'd asked for an adjournment, so and I'll speak to him about coming in person or
Okay,
coordinating
No,
another.
hold on. My grandson's got a computer. If you give me a minute, I can use his. Okay? Hold on. Just give me a second.
That's his grandson.
Sean, can I use your computer? I'm on court. And can you set me up on the Zoom? Well, I just need to, I know how to dial in it. You just need to use your computer. Come on, hurry up. I'm in the court meeting right now.
Your brother, would you mind passing it and maybe he can get on the Zoom today? And we can start the sentencing
Yeah,
process.
I can get it hooked up. If you can give me a couple minutes here, I can get it hooked up. This is embarrassing. He's got it
I'll pass
right
it,
here.
I guess. He's going through that much effort. Court calls case people versus Jacqueline Murray.
Christina Berger, for the people. Your Honor, this is the way that we follow.
Okay, your name?
Jacqueline Murray.
All right, Miss Murray, you are before the court on a misdemeanor complaint that alleges that on or about March 10th, 2025, at the location of 2451 Twin Lakes Drive in Pittsfield Township, Washington County, State of Michigan, that you did break and enter a vehicle with the intent to steal property valued at $200, but less than $1,000. Do you understand what you're charged with?
I understand what I'm charged with.
Okay, that's a misdemeanor, punishable by up to 1 year incarceration, a $2,000 fine plus court cost. The fine could be increased at 3 times the value of the property taken. If that's greater than $2,000, that would become the maximum fine. You understand
I
that?
understand.
All right. First question I have for you is, you want to be represented by an attorney?
Yes.
Public defender, please.
Assistant Public Defender Natalie Pate with and on behalf of Ms. Murray, we would waive any further reading, stand mute. And Your Honor, I would ask for an adjourned pre-trial date as well as a nominal bond. It's my understanding Ms. Murray is being held on other matters. I do not know that, or I was pulling up the next dates, which I do not have.
Defendant, every way formal reading, standing mute, court will enter not guilty plea. Pre-trial in this. When is, she's being held on other matters?
She is. I do not have her next court date.
Okay.
Tomorrow.
And that's Go ahead.
It's Allison, I have for your honor. On Extra, she has hearings on, there's one on the 13th of August.
Next week.
The ones, I think there's some,
Oh, she's here tomorrow on a felony.
yes.
Okay, let me do it this way. I'll just adjourn her out to September 3rd, 2025 at 9, my next available date. I'll set her bond in this case at the $500 10% bond at this time. I'll order standard conditions, including no assaultive behavior or possession of any weapons, no alcohol, recreational marijuana, or any illegal drugs. Okay,
Thank you, Your Honor.
thank you. Yes, hold on. Hold on a second, man. Yes, no contact.
To the Wellside Lake Apartments at 2345 Woodridge Way. That's the location that the offense took place.
What was the address you gave? Because I have Twin Lakes Drive.
This I will pull it up, but I have in my notes on Woodridge Way. She will.
That's what we have on our bond form, your honors, Gulfside Lakes Apartments 2345 Woodbridge. Way.
Oh, okay, I see. So it's Gulfside Lakes. All right.
That's in the apartments.
All right, I will add the conditions, you're not to enter Gulfside Lake Apartments.
And one more thing, I'm sorry, Your Honor. For the bond, if I can request a $5,000 security bond, this defendant has numerous outstanding warrants for the year, and multiple of those warrants have a $5,000 bond associated to them. So I'd like to respectfully ask if they could address the bond.
Do a cash or security bond? Cash or security, is that what
I'm
you
in
want?
jail, so I'm not going nowhere.
I got this one, don't worry.
Thank you.
I got it. I'm going to decline to do that. I think she'll be held on this, as I've said.
Thank you.
All right, you're welcome. But I appreciate your help and trying to help me out. Yeah, okay. Court calls the case, People versus Yuli Walker.
Conrad Solar on behalf of Pittsfield Township.
By 12.
Good morning, Assistant Public Defender Lauren Perny on behalf of Mr. Walker. Mr. Walker, please state your name for the record.
Bobby Walker.
Yes.
So Your Honor, Mr. Walker is here for a pretrial. I would like to address bond. I think procedurally, when he was arraigned on the 16th, you gave him a bond. In between that and today, there was another case that was authorized. He has been, or was sworn to, or he was arraigned on. He was given a personal bond on that case. I believe he has, Exjail has his bond set at 10,000, 10%. My courts had something else, and it said he
My court
posted.
had what?
My court said it was, no, my court said it was bond denied, and it also said that he posted a
This case?
$2,500 bond. Yes. So
It said his bond was denied?
yes, as of July 30th.
Oh.
So I believe he posted a surety bond and that the agent revoked it.
Got it.
I do know he's also on our felony document.
So, okay.
So it's- I think
So he
it's-
posted a surety on this one.
Uh-huh.
The surety, probably because of the other case, I'm guessing, revoked his surety bond on this case.
Okay.
So, well, I'm still not sure why it would be denied, because it should just read what I said it for before, but I'm not gonna worry about
The
it.
surety bond was revoked.
Their security bond was revoked, but my bond still stands. So I don't know what.
Yeah, my court said bond denied. So
My court,
I'm gonna go with what
my court, so.
Your Honor
go with
said.
that?
No, I don't.
Boy, oh boy, if you guys would just get into the system you had, we'd know.
I'd have to agree with
But
you,
we
Your Honor.
can't get into that system. Nobody can. In fact, the victims advocates are upset because they can't see anything. And they're the ones always looking for.
Looking.
You know, I could go on a little tirade about now, but I won't go on it. I'm saving that for later. Okay,
Thank you, Your Honor.
And I'm not gonna
related
eat
to you,
anything
Mr. Walker.
between now and then so that I'm really angry.
Oh, boy. What,
Oh,
what is,
boy.
what is the new charge? What is the new charge?
I don't know.
It's a possession,
Okay.
controlled substance under, I believe,
The
under.
new
20.
charge?
Yes.
Okay, and when's his next court date on that?
Tomorrow.
Before me?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And he has a personal bond on that case,
They give him a personal on that case.
according to X.
So, okay. Okay, so does he have a personal on that case? Let's see if we can find out, because, hey, I have access to jazz. But I'm not sharing any of that with anybody.
It's a court system problem, not you problem.
So
We're talking about.
can I ask a question? And maybe you can answer this. When he was arraigned on July 6th. Who was that? Was that you, Neve? Sir? Okay, never mind. So why? That's unusual for me, but I'm not sure. Did he have something else pending that I gave him this bond?
You gave him this bond because when he appeared before Your Honor at arraignment, he made an admission that he might test positive for.
Yes, that's right.
Yeah. So he was out for 10, so he was arraigned on the 16th. He was in for 10 days. I think he posted his bond on the 26th. He was out for like a day, and then they picked him up on the warrant on the new case. They arraigned him on that case, and then that's when all the bond stuff happened. But I do have information that about a treatment program that I would like to bring to the court's attention if.
Sure, because I haven't been able to stop it going.
So Mr. Walker has been accepted into a dual diagnosis treatment center in sunny California. This is covered by the VA through his insurance through the VA. It's a
You're a veteran.
Yes, I am, sir.
It's a dual diagnosis treatment. It's a little bit of specialized treatment, and that's why it's California due to the death of Mr. Walker's son. It's both like grief and substance abuse counseling intertwined.
Got it.
I spoke to Mr. Walker's fiance, who's present in the courtroom, who provided me documentation from Northbound Inpatient that they are going to be flying him out if he's released from custody. So,
okay.
And I can provide a copy.
So, anybody see any reason that they wouldn't release him to do that?
I have no objection.
All right. So, I would need an order prepared. So I don't have a problem. I'm not going to have a problem with that at all.
I can, does the court want it stipulated with the people?
I think this is contract case, but yeah.
It is.
Just get a stipulated order.
Okay. Okay, great.
With the details of his release, and that if he leaves that program, he's got to report back to the Washington County Jail. But
great.
I think that's going to be the best thing for him.
I think I can get that over to you, Ms. Schiller, by the next couple of hours. So I'll be in touch.
Okay, that's a much better thing. So what I'll do, I'll make it a PR via the order. So I'll leave it where it is right now. I'll make it a PR in the order so that he's not released prior to that order being in place.
Okay.
Got it?
Okay.
Okay, that makes sense?
Yes.
What branch?
Army.
Army?
Yes, sir.
Did I ask you that before?
No.
No?
We never got to that.
Oh. Army.
Yes, sir.
I don't like them, right?
You like them all?
I like them all? Oh, okay. My dad was in the Navy. I don't know that I like Army as much, but okay. Anyway, sir, and as I tell veterans, I'm joking with you, but as I tell veterans all the time, I want to thank you for your service. All right, because I am very much aware that I only get to do what I get to do because of people like you that were willing to do that. All right. Okay. So we'll get you out to that program and good luck to you in that.
Thank
All
you.
right. Okay. I'll give another date. Why don't I give, I'm gonna give September 17th, 2025, since we're at 9 a.m. Since it looks like if we can do that, then that'd be good. The thing that you'll need to check once you're out there is will they allow you to appear via Zoom? But they'll check that with the program because sometimes they don't want you in communication with anybody anytime right away, but we'll work that out sometime. Okay? Good luck to you.
Sign a release of information to the public defender's office. So when
Okay, People versus Destin Hopkins.
An Assistant Public Defender Natalie Pate with and on behalf of Mr. Hopkins, who is present via Zoom. Sir, can you please unmute and state your name for the court?
All right, good afternoon, Destin Hopkins.
Thank you. You need to be someplace stationary, but go ahead. What are we doing?
Thank you, Your Honor. There is a civil infraction resolution in this case, Your Honor, to which Mr. Hopkins will be admitting responsibility, the civil infraction of impeding traffic, and in exchange, the misdemeanor charge will be dismissed.
That's correct, Your Honor.
Mr. Hopkins?
Hi.
Okay. You admit responsibility to the fact that on or about July 24th, 2024, at the location of Carpenter Road, Pittsfield Township, Washtenaw County, State of Michigan, that you operated a motor vehicle in a fashion in which you impeded traffic.
Yes.
All right, court will accept that admission to count 2. Count 1 is dismissed. Is that 175 or 180?
I'm sorry, what's the charge name? 180, I'm sorry.
180.
Yes.
Fines and costs of $180. When can you get that paid?
I may need about 90 days. I have a lot of fines that I have to pay at the moment.
Oh, and you want me to wait?
No.
Good answer.
If I have to do lesser than 90 days, that's fine too.
All right, let's do this. Get it paid by October 31st.
October 31st?
Yeah, Halloween.
Spooky.
Okay.
So if
Thank
somebody
you, Your
says
Honor.
trick or treat and you haven't paid me, I'm coming to look for you.
Okay, gotcha.
All right. Okay. Take care, young man.
Thanks, Mr.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Watch, we're on the scene. Truths unravel, and what does it mean? In the halls where stories clash, Oouchie court watch quick as a flash.